So here I'm going to go show you how to do some advanced edit in the style of Edward Weston. So here I'm starting by turning my picture black and white, okay, adjusting the brightness and contrast to have that high contrast with really black and white, just like Edward Weston. And then File, Save As, JPEG, and then just go save that. To create color overlay, I'll create a new layer, the little sheet with the corner folded at the bottom of the layer box. And here I think soft light is quite nice, and I'm going to adjust the hue and saturation. I want to desaturate it a little bit, but I don't want it too bright. Once I'm happy with it, File, Save As, and JPEG. And this one you need to select the JPEG and put tint 1 or color 1 on there. You can change the color and save your best images in a variety of colors. And here I'm going to try purple, kind of an orange looking one. And here we want some quite muted tones, not anything too bright. What I want to show you next is how to edit those pictures in the style of David Samuel Stern. So here I'm going edit, copy, edit, paste. So I've got 2 layers on top of one another. Then I'm going to go and open a template in the template folder. So you want the cherry color template who's got a really thin layer on there. So you go on student share or one photography and find a template on there. Then you go to edit, paste, and edit, transform, scale. And you're going to stretch that template so it fits your page on here. So here I'm putting it a tiny bit bigger to make sure I don't miss any. Then I've got the magic wand tool and I'm selecting my shift key. If you make a mistake like I just did, go history and go back one and selecting one square in 2. This is a little bit tedious, okay, and you might find that on occasion you make a mistake. Just select kind of the selection above on the history button. So you just select 1 in 2 all the way through. It's a little bit of a work of patience, but it's going to go and show a more advanced and refined edit, which at the end of the day is going to get you more marks. So for this you need 2 layers with pictures of the same object from a different viewpoint. That's what is going to get the best effect on that. Finishing to select my squares. Okay, and when I've finished, I'm going to hide, click the little eye on the squares layer on here, and then go to my top layer of the cabbage on here, which is the middle one, and press delete. And then I've got my David Samuel Stern effect. So I'm going to go File, Save As, make sure it is saved as a JPEG. And put advanced edit 1. Okay, then I'm gonna play with putting one black and white. I think the bottom one black and white might look nicer, so I'm selecting the bottom one, turning that black and white. Okay, and then I'm going to change those layers filters on here to get different effects. Once I've got one I like, I'm going to File, Save As, same JPEG on here, put advanced edit 2, and just playing about again. I quite like that one. I'm going to put File, Save As, advanced edit 3. So I've shown variations on my edit, which is going to earn me more marks eventually on there. So here I'm quickly checking whether there's any others that I like, and then moving on to the next one.